What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. We had lots of videos regarding solving quadratic equations using quadratic formula, and most of the time we're getting two answers when we are solving quadratic equations. But sometimes when you solve a quadratic equation, you will get only one answer. So what kind of situation you deal with? So whenever you have a quadratic equation and that quadratic equation is the perfect square, you will end up having only one answer. And I had it earlier, whenever you have ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, if b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, we have two answers. If b squared minus 4ac equals to 0, we have one answer. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, we have no answer, no real answer, or no real solutions. So whenever b squared minus 4ac equals to 0, it means that we are dealing with a perfect square trinomial. Let's see some examples. First example, we have 4x squared minus 20x equals to negative 25. Answer is 4x squared minus 20x plus 25 equals to 0. So a is 4, b is negative 20, c is 25. So we have x1 and x2. Negative b will be 20 plus minus b squared will be negative 20 to the power of 2, which is 400, minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a, which is 2 times 4. So x1 and x2 will be 20 plus minus 400 minus 4 times 4 times 25 is 400 divided by 8. So 400 minus 400 is 0, so this part will be 0. We have 20 divided by 8, and when you reduce it, it's going to be 5 divided by 2. So we have only one answer. We don't have two answers. So the only one answer is 5 over 2. Why? Because b squared minus 4ac equals to 0. So therefore the second part of the numerator is 0. So we have only one answer. Let me do another example. We have m squared plus 10m plus 25. Answer is m1, m2. Negative a is 1, b is 10, c is 25. So it's going to be negative 10 plus minus b squared, which is 100, minus 4 times 1 times 25. Over 2 times a, which is 2. That's negative 10 plus minus 100 minus 100 divided by 2. Negative 10 divided by 2 is going to be negative 5. So we have only one answer. Why? Because this part is 0 and we have one answer. So whenever we have b squared minus 4ac equals to 0, we will have only one answer. Let's have one more example. I have 25 x squared minus 40x equals to negative 16. So we have 25x squared minus 40x, and I move this negative 16 to the left hand side, will be plus 60. A is 25, b is negative 40, c is 16. So it's going to be negative b, which is 40, plus minus 40 squared minus 4 times 25 times 16 divided by 2 times a, which is 2 times 25. That will be 40 plus minus 40 squared is 1600. 4 times 25 is 100 times 16 is going to be 1600. 2 times 25 is 50. So this part will be 0. So we have 40 divided by 50, or 4 over 5. We have only one answer because b squared minus 4ac equals to 0. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video if you found it useful, and you can subscribe this channel to find lots of videos regarding math and other topics in science. If you have any question, please leave me a comment and I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Thank you.